When I'm standing, let's go slide. Call him Molly and I. He pop by the cut it, then he bend your block on surprise.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tez the Barber, back with another haircut tutorial. First tutorial in like 2 years on my channel. But my boy got a twist on top, so I'm gonna hit him with a nice bald fade undercut. And we gonna clean up his face too, cause I ain't gonna lie, he's starting to look like Sasquatch. So for the first step, we going in with the Babless clippers, no guard, with the lever all the way closed, setting in the first guideline. If you don't know the meaning of opening and closing the lever, basically pushing the lever forward, which is closing the lever, gives you a closer cut, and pulling the lever back, which is opening the lever, will give you a longer cut. We're gonna take this guideline all the way around the head and make sure that it's even. For the next guideline, I'm going in again with no guard, except this time I got the lever all the way open. And I'm making this guideline kind of thick, that way the fade can have good gradiency. If your client has longer hair, you want to make sure to move it out of your workspace. That way you don't cut it by mistake. Right here, I move my lever halfway between open and close, and that's going to take out the dark line that you see. For the last guideline, we're going in with the zero guard with the lever all the way closed, and that's going to remove the remaining bolt that's left. You want to be real careful not to go too high up and cut the twist. Right here, I'm going in with no guard again, doing some detail work, opening and closing my lever as needed, just to get rid of any dark spots or lines I see in the fade. Right here, I'm going in with the Andy Slimline Pros, and I'm gonna finish balding out the bottom of that fade. And I'm gonna also trim up his chin hair and his mustache. This right here is what takes the cut to the next level. I'm gonna spread a little bit of enhanced hair fiber just to get that hairline a sharper look. To bring everything together, I'm going with my Gold FX trimmers and hit that hairline. You want to make sure to keep the hairline as natural and straight as possible. YouTube, this is the final product. A nice clean fade with a sharp edge. Goes a little before and after action. I appreciate everyone for watching. If you made it this far, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I will have my social media in the description below.